Hi everyone, happy Monday. I hope you all had an awesome weekend and feel rested. It's really crazy, but we are in the last 2 weeks of the first semester. So I wanted to kind of give you a heads up for what you can expect over those next 2 weeks. So before the semester ends, we need to cover lessons 4.3 through 4.7. So those are 5 lessons that we need to go over, and I'm going to be posting materials and videos and the assignments for those lessons today, Monday, and tomorrow, Tuesday. And you will have until next Monday to complete those. I'm also going to be posting a practice test later this week, and that's going to help you study for your 2 upcoming tests. So you're going to have your Chapter 4 test and your Quarter 2 exam. The practice test is going to be optional, but if you complete it, I will count it as extra credit. So again, you have 2 tests coming up. The Chapter 4 test is going to be on Tuesday, December 15th. And I'll post that in Illuminate. On Wednesday, you will have your Quarter 2 exam. Again, this will be on Illuminate, and it will cover Chapters 3 and 4. If you have any missing homework, you have until Friday, December 18th to turn that in. So you can go into Power School, and I've updated everything so far. If there's any missing icons on any assignments, then that means that you have a 0 on it. But again, you have until the 18th of December, next Friday, to hand it in. If you do hand in one of those assignments, it would be really, really helpful for me if you emailed me when you turn those in. Otherwise, I might not get a notification that you've turned it in, and so you wouldn't get the grade on it. So if you have missing work, you can turn it in late. You have until the end of the week next week to do that. Just email me and let me know if you want to turn something in, so I know to check it. If you have any exams or tests that you need to make up, you have until December 18th to do that. Again, that's next Friday. You need to email me if you want to retake an exam. If you do not reach out to me, I'll just assume that you'd rather stick with your original score. I have reached out to each of you individually, and it's your responsibility now to figure out a time to do that. If you have questions, as always, please let me know. I'm more than happy to help. A couple more things. I'm going to have 3 Zoom calls this week on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I'm going to use those calls to go over a few different concepts. Anything that I go over in the Zoom call will be also posted in notes, in an assignment, in a video. So you don't have to join the Zoom calls, but I think it's a helpful way for you to understand the content a little more. So on Wednesday, I'm going to go over functions and graphs. On Thursday, I'll go over slope-intercept and point-slope forms. And on Friday, I'll look at using linear equations. I'll also have 1 Zoom call next week on Monday. Again, as always, they're from 10 to 11 a.m. And on Monday next week, I'll go over the practice test with you to help you prepare for the 2 tests next week. All right? And so you can come and just listen. You literally don't have to say a word if you don't want to. And if you do not want to come, that's also okay. Just make sure you're checking in with me another way, right? Let's see. I think I covered everything. Again, as always, I am here to answer any questions you have, or, if you're just worried about what's going on and feel like you're getting far behind, just please reach out to me and I'll do whatever I can to help, So yeah, I miss seeing you guys in real life. But again, I'm always here if you need anything. Please reach out. I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you soon.